5 Best Airbag Scan Tools. Number 5. Foxwell NT414 Obdi. Use this vehicle diagnostic scan tool. Lifetime internet update. Functionality at your fingertips. Easy to upgrade software. Oil reset function. Item weight 3 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Uncell AD610 Enhanced Scanner. Performs bidirectional control tests, such as ABS manual control tests. Supports all 10 Obdi test modes. The scan tool works on engine. Supports all 10 Obdi test modes. Item weight 1.9 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Master Tool VS450. Display DVC definitions on unit screen. System upgradable via the internet. Highly reliable and accurate. Easy to read backlit LCD. Carrying case comes included. 1-year warranty against defects. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Actron CP9680 Auto Scanner Plus. Capable of printing data to PC. Compatible with all 1996. Newer import and domestic OPD. Canned vehicles as well as 1994 and 1995 OBD. Airbag and SRS analysis. Item weight 1.3 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Autel AL619 AutoLink. Works on all 1996 and newer vehicles. Turns off malfunctioned indicator light. Clears codes and resets monitors. Stores and playbacks live PCM data stream. Knows generic and manufacturer codes. Model, AL619. Please check the description for detail and prices.